Hey everyone, I recently bought this Duke 250 in white color. I really loved the look, but I was worried about it getting dirty. So here is my review on the same after riding the bike for 2 weeks. As you can see, I have done just 200 kilometers, but I did ride in a very muddy roads of Bangalore. So I think I'm in a very good state to share my experience. As you can see, there is mud everywhere. There are mud stains, rain stains everywhere, and it's kind of visible as well, even on the tank, on the sides, above the front tire. Also, I noticed that a lot of mud gets accumulated in this particular area, which is very hard to clean. But I think overall it's manageable. You can easily wipe all those things. I'm just lazy, I have not done it yet. I'll get it cleaned and then again share another video soon. Let me know in comments if you want me to talk about the mileage and the performance part. Until then, thanks for watching. Follow me for more such videos.